doing? You want up?
Oh, there she goes. Nope. She got her back towards it. Oh, nope. Nope, there she goes. She might get... She's gonna do it. Maybe. She's thinking she's there. She's getting ready.
Hi.
She's a parrot now.
Yeah, your sister was doing this at the cafe.
Yeah, her biological... Oh, there you go. Sister was doing it already at the cafe. Although she would go after your hair and then try to pull your hair out.
Yeah, that was when I had longer hair, though. That's why.
Her sister was... She's like, open the door. It has learned how to open doors.
Aww.
She's like, give me the birds.